A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May I please request all our members of the media to settle down as we are about to begin. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to the press conference for the Siroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards. As we all know, Filmfare is the country's leading entertainment magazine, a part of Worldwide Media, a Times Group company. Other titles such as Femina, Hello, Grazia, Top Gear, BBC Good Homes, Trends, Lonely Planet, BBC Knowledge, and BBC Good Food are also a part of this family. The world of Siroc, where the jet set mingle with the stylish, sophisticates in the hotspots, where the next-gen hotspots of LA. Siroc has always been synonymous with style, glamour, and iconic celebrations. For the past 60 years, Filmfare has honored excellence in cinema, and this year, Filmfare, in association with Siroc, announces the inception of the Siroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards, which will be a stunning new event to honor the sartorial kings and queens of the entertainment world.
And the movie stars are on fashion magazines. You look at the fashion magazines. Fashion and glamour has sort of taken complete precedence in the movies, and we thought it was apposite to honor and felicitate that kind of glamour, that kind of style that movie stars like Sonam are so synonymous with. I'd like to thank Sonam. Everything Filmfare does has to begin and end with Sonam. So this new endeavor also, we couldn't think of a better person to merge style and glamour but Sonam. So thank you very much. And I know you guys are geared up for yet another event. So thank you again for your patience. And we need all your blessings for this new endeavor of us. Thank you.
Thank you. May I please request Mr. Bhavesh Somaya, Marketing and Innovations Director, Siroc India, to say a few words.
Thank you so much. Real pleasure to be among all of you today. I think Siroc stands for iconicity, glamour, style, and sophistication. It stands for being uncommon. And I believe through the medium of this platform, the Siroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards, Siroc will celebrate and honor India's foremost trend-setting personalities in style. I believe Siroc, as I said, stands for the uncommon, very much like the two exceptional personalities that I've got the honor of sharing the stage with today. And I believe the platform has an amazing future in India. It's going to be one of the most celebrated, iconic style platforms in the country. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you. And may I now request Sonam Kapoor to say a few words, and might I also add that she looks sensational as usual.
Thank you. That's very kind. I'm very, very happy to be here. I think this is like the 6th press conference that I've done with Filmfare for some event that they've tried to. The reason I try to associate myself as much as I can with Filmfare is because everything they do comes from a place of spectacularness. I've just made that word up. And yes, being glamorous and being stylish is something that movie stars love to do. I love to do it. And I think it's amazing that we are, you know, kind of giving awards to people that are stylish and glamorous. Maybe I'll get my first Filmfare award because of that. Acting छोड़ दो, nominations होते रहते हैं. अभी मुझे award इसके लिए मिल जाएगा. So I'm quite happy that they've started this award ceremony, and I'm quite excited to be here and to start this award function going, to get it going. Thank you for being here, guys.
Fantastic. And now a lovely member.
Icon and glam. Do you yourself have, what is your definition of glamour and style? And do you have icons who you look up to?
Honestly, I've said this time and time again. There is a huge bunch of people who work on me. I have a stylist, I have a makeup artist, I have a hairstylist, and it takes a lot to make me look like this. That's true. You know it's true. And are y'all giving them something like the best makeup artist in Merhez? You should. You have to.
She's bullying me already.
Yeah, I have to. So they have a lot to do with the way I look. But honestly, if you're a happy person and you feel beautiful from inside and you honestly don't care what people think, you automatically look nice. I dress for myself, and I really take pride in dressing up. And I take pride in myself. I think a lot of our generation has kind of become a little too casual, which is also really nice. Sometimes I want to be in my sweats, but the whole idea of being a film actor and being a part of cinema is about glamour and is about getting ready and doing your makeup in the makeup chair with the makeup lights on and, you know, putting that powder on your face. It's the ultimate movie star moment, and I love it, and I, thrive in it. So, yeah.
Members of the media, before we open the floor for all of you all, I'd like to say that Mr. Bhavesh Somaya will not be joining us for the Q&A. So may I request all of you all to put your hands together anyways and thank him for joining us here today. Thank you, sir. Members of the media, we have mics in the audience for your questions.
Okay, Sonam is our guest, so I hope you will all temper your questions and not ask untoward questions.
That I've done that they can ask me.
Yeah, so please restrict your questions to style, glamour, and the movies. Thank you.
Okay, hi Sonam, Sasha here from Hotyor.
Hi, you look cute.
Thank you. Sonam, I can see that you're wearing tangerine, which is trending any which ways, and you've just attended the Armani Privé show in Paris. What are the trends that you're looking forward to try this season?
I love the whole feather thing. Everybody's using a lot of feathers, especially in the couture shows. I love the origami kind of, which is, this outfit is like that. And I like color, a lot of color that I'm going to use. Also, it's very strange. There's a lot of color and there's a lot of black and white. Like, there's a lot of stark black and white, lots of, geometry in the clothes, which I think is quite fascinating. It's very Japanese, Zen kind of thing that's going on. But what was really spectacular this season was the ode to kind of old Hollywood glamour, old film glamour. And I think Elie Saab did that spectacularly. There was spotlights, there was butterflies, there was sparkles, and, it was unabashed gorgeousness. Everybody tries to do fashion and to try to do something completely different and tries to be out there. But there are very few people who very confidently say that this is how a woman should be, this is how a woman should dress, and I love that. I think just to be really feminine and really sensual and gorgeous. And I'm going to try and do that, this year, hopefully, just to be like really sexy.
As in, we saw the Elie Saab outfits, and I kind of had you in mind that we're going to spot Sonam someday.
I hope so. I'm trying to figure out like which one, but I want to wear one. Right. Seriously soon, yeah.
We'll look forward to that.
Thank you.
Okay, coming to Jitesh, I mean, this year at Filmfare Red Carpet, the awards, we saw some serious fashion game. So, could you tell us what are the changes or what sort of things have you seen from the past and now, the celebrities, how much of effort do they take?
Well, the biggest change is that you have all the fashion magazines which put film stars on the cover. So movie stars, like in the West, you have models being fashion icons, you have, huge stars, models, and all of them who are huge. Here you have movie stars.
But that's in the West also now, Jits.
Yeah, it is. But if you see in India, in the last 5 years, this trend has happened. You know, and I think you have to credit it to her because she really made everybody conscious of what they're wearing. So, oh no, Sonam's coming, so then we have to all get dressed and, you know. So she's sort of upped the ante and scale for most of film stars in the country. And I'm not much of a fashionista, but I can tell you it was like the red carpet was like a bevy of, oomph, glamour, and like serious movie star moments. Thanks to the fashion and the kind of clothes that they all wore.
Thank you so much.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. We all are still waiting for your comment on AIB.
I think I said whatever I had to say online, on Twitter.
Promise that day.
Yeah, so I
we would
promise
like
you.
to-
You know what I've said on Twitter, right? You guys have read my comments on Twitter. You're very welcome to publish that. I've said whatever I have to say. I've made the comments, and I said what I had to say because I saw the show, and whatever I've said is on Twitter. That is my statement on it. For me, that's exactly what I have to say. I love the comments that AIB already made. See, it doesn't matter what the content is. People should be allowed to put out anything that they want out there. I don't believe in censorship, to be very honest. And I think that's all that I have to say. That's it.
Sonam, are you happy that the video is finally taken down from the website and it's not there? You need a sign-in now.
I said what I have to say. I don't think like I said, I don't believe in censorship.
But Twitter has limited access. Not many people, have Twitter accounts. So through
That's
television media, if we could have.
Not in India. And it's really unfortunate. AIB has taken it down themselves.
Sonam, also one thing, how do you react to the fact when a member of the censor board is so critical about a video like AIB?
I said what I had to say.
Are you scared about the censorship in films now?
I said what I had to say on Twitter.
Members of the media, we have our style icon here, and it's all
a few
about
questions on fashion.
Yes,
and style.
glamour
We're
and
here for
style.
the fashion and style
Usually they
and
always
glamour.
do.
Hi Sonam, Kunal here.
Hi, Kunal.
How are you?
Very good.
Sonam, I want to know which is the best glamorous and stylish unmarried couple in Bollywood according to you?
Unmarried.
Yeah, who is not married?
Who's not married? I don't know who's not married, who's a couple. They don't actually talk about
You're
it.
insider of Bollywood, you know everything. We know that, you know everything.
I know everything, but honestly, like whoever have been couples, like even I don't know, since I don't like attend too many of I don't know them I have like a couple of friends, they're all single actually in the industry. But who's unmarried? Name a few couples.
Ranveer,
Ranbir, Katrina. Those are the only ones, right? Are they have they
Ranbir,
said that they're a
Deepika.
couple? Because I'm so scared about saying that they are.
Ranveer, Deepika, Ranbir,
Yeah,
Katrina.
Yeah, Ranbir, Katrina, I guess. Okay.
And apparently Arjun Sonakshi, we don't know whether it's...
No comments. Okay.
Any more questions on style and fashion?
The style is so cute. Sonam? Yes?
Hi.
Hi.
You're a fashionista. So, any tips you would like to give to the youth girls today how to prep themselves for
Okay.
the day?
Honestly, as Indians, we have lots of body issues. And all I have to tell girls is dress for your body type. Don't be uncomfortable with the fact that you're all different sizes and shapes and colors. As long as you feel comfortable and look comfortable and feel beautiful, you will look beautiful. Don't try to ape people like me or whoever else there is, because like I said, it takes a lot for me to look like this. And a lot of money is spent on it also, trust me. So just don't get into it. Be normal, be beautiful, and just be original. As long as you're original, you'll automatically be stylish.
सोनम, आपको तो स्टाइल आइकॉन माना जाता है।
शुक्रिया।
आप अपने अलावा बॉलीवुड में किसे मानती हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा फैशन?
जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत स्टाइलिश है, रेखा। मुझे लगता है कि जब आप अंदर से खूबसूरत फील करते हैं और आप एथनिक कपड़े, शी इज वेयरिंग अ कांजीवरम साड़ीज, वो लाल लिपस्टिक डालती हैं, उनके बाल इतनी खूबसूरती से खुले रहते हैं, वो एकदम एथनिक ज्वेलरी पहनती हैं। देयर इज अ डिस्टिंक्ट स्टाइल टू रेखा। वो लुक आप सिर्फ रेखा को एट्रीब्यूट कर सकती हैं। एंड वो मेरे लिए सबसे, जैसे कि अगर आप शर्मिला टैगोर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो उनकी भी एक डिस्टिंक्ट लुक है। साधना, उन जब yesterday heroines, they always had a distinct look. I feel कि वो आजकल missing है. सारी heroines एक जैसे लगती हैं. एक distinct look होना चाहिए, एक distinct vibe होना चाहिए. मुझे कल्कि मुझे लगता है कि वो भी distinct है, to a certain extent. उसकी vibe थोड़ी distinct है. कंगना to a certain extent. ये दोनों जो है वो अब उनका अपना स्टाइल है, उनका अपना एक एक क्लास है जो बहुत कम आजकल की हीरोइंस में होता है, एंड वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
यानी कि दीपिका, कैटरीना, इनको आप अपनी कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं
जी, वो
मानते?
बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत ही ग्लैमरस है, बट लाइक आई सेड आई प्रेफर कल्कि एंड कंगना.
हाय सोनम.
जी, मेरे जो बिसाइड्स माय डैड, वो सबसे खूबसूरत है. आई थॉट खूबसूरत मेरी फिल्म थी. स्टाइलिश. अच्छा, सबसे स्टाइलिश मेरी फैमिली में मेरी बहन है. वो हम सबको स्टाइलिश बना देती है. अर्जुन के कपड़े करती है, भाई के कपड़े, मेरे हर्ष के कपड़े करती है, मेरे डैड के कपड़े करते हैं, मेरे कपड़े की स्टाइलिस्ट है. सो या ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक रिया का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्टाइल है. मेरी मम्मी भी बहुत ही स्टाइलिश है, पर वो भी बहुत ही एथनिक ड्रेस करती है.
हाय सोनम.
हाय.
ओके सोनम, आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस स्टार्ट होने के पहले कहा कि भले हम फिल्मों में जुड़े रहे ना रहे, एक्टिंग करे ना करे, लेकिन ये स्टाइल के लिए अवार्ड मिल जाएगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं AIB वीडियो आपने जैसे पता आपने देखा तो मजाक भी इसी बात पर बनाया गया था, एक्टिंग से रिलेटेड.
जी, मुझे अभी एक
तो
नॉमिनेशन मिला है फिल्म फेयर के लिए. मेरा चौथा नॉमिनेशन है. जितेश, टेक अप फॉर मी. मेरे को एक्टिंग भी आती है.
आप उससे इनसिक्योर होकर बोल रही हैं क्या? ऐसा
नहीं,
ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आप हर बार यू ट्राई टू क्रिएट मिस्चिफ,
It's not
आप
like
नो
that.
यार, you don't like me, I feel.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
Honestly,
We like you, we
no,
love you.
I don't. You always try to provoke me into saying something. I've made it this thing just to be positive and nice about everybody. सब खूबसूरत है, सब stylish है. ठीक है, जो मैंने कहा.
One last question.
जितेश पिल्लाई से मेरा सवाल है.
जितेश पिल्ले से आप.
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन.
Let me complete, Sonam. Let me complete first. हाँ, आपने बोला ना कि हम जो आपने ट्वीट किया है उसको हम लोग पब्लिश कर सकते हैं, तो आपने ट्वीट हटा क्यों दिया? डिलीट
मैंने
क्यों
नहीं
कर दिया?
हटाया है. आप जाके आप इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो आप रिसर्च भी कीजिए और मेरे ट्विटर पेज पे जाइए. मैंने कुछ डिलीट नहीं किया है. शुक्रिया.
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन से. ये ग्लैमर से स्टाइल अवार्ड शुरू करने का डिसीजन आपने कब और क्यों लिया?
मैंने बताया ना आपको, मेरी हिंदी वैसे जरा खराब है.
अंग्रेजी एडिटर है. मेरी हिंदी बेटर है. You want to tell me? I'll translate for you.
Like I said, basically movies are moving into fashion.
हाँ, तो जितेश ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो हमारी फिल्म्स हैं और फैशन और ग्लैमर है वो एक साथ जुड़ गए हैं आजकल. एक्चुअली ये तो पहले से ही है. अगर आप कोई भी स्टाइल आइकॉन को देखें, जो भी ग्लैमर आइकॉन को देखें येस्टर ईयर से, वो सब जो है वो दे आर ऑल वेरी स्टाइलिश एंड ग्लैमरस. मधुबाला, मीना कुमारी, शर्मिला टैगोर, नूतन, उन्होंने पहली बार उन्होंने पैंट पहना था. स्विमसूट भी उन्होंने पहली बार पहना था, आपको पता है. तो ये सब, ये फैशन और ग्लैमर और स्टाइल, ये फिल्मों से बहुत 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 अच्छी तरह से तेजी से रॉन्ग, हाँ, बहुत ही बहुत ही अच्छी से जुड़ा हुआ है. एंड ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जैसे कि अगर आप कोई भी अवार्ड सेरेमनी देखें इंटरनेशनली भी, वहाँ बहुत सारे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को, कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर्स को, इन सबको अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं. बहुत सारे से स्टाइलिश अवार्ड्स है. वैनिटी फेयर जो मैगजीन है वो भी स्टाइल अवार्ड्स देती हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट्स एन अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल, जो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए.
Sonam, talking about your film, in Prem Ratan, everybody is excited to know about your style and what are you wearing. So could you share anything?
तो दिवाली में रिलीज होने वाला है. ओह, एम आई टॉकिंग टू यू आल्सो इन हिंदी? हाँ, पर ठीक है, वो दिवाली में रिलीज होने वाला है. और मैंने अनामिका खन्ना के कपड़े पहने हैं उसमें, और जो ज्वेलरी पहना है वो मेरी मम्मी की ज्वेलरी है, और थोड़ा बहुत मैंने आम्रपाली से भी लिया है.
Fantastic members of the media.
लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने ये एक्चुअली प्रेस को पहले भी बोला है, द लास्ट टाइम जब हमने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था तो मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी, और मेरी तबीयत बहुत ही ख़राब थी और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आज दिस टाइम वी शुड कीप द ट्रॉफी, वी शुड डिफेंड द ट्रॉफी और प्लीज़ जीत जाओ तो मैं भी इस बार रोड पे नाच सकूं, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आई वाज वेरी सैड दैट आई वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द पार्टी. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग, थैंक यू.
On behalf of Film Fans.